Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Make Roshan. Today I am going to teach you how you can make your resume with the help of your mobile. Because lots of time what happen, we require a laptop, PC, or we go to the net cafe. So that you can avoid that things. You can make your resume with the help of that, with the help of your mobile easily in short time, only in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so let's see how can we can make our resume with the help of our mobile, perfectly and neat and clean and awesome way. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to do download intelligent CV app through your Play Store app. It is available on that, and I share with you a link in description. So download it. So first of all, what we let's see how we can make a resume. Okay, so open intelligent CV first. Then what happen, okay, now you what you have to do, you have to do create, for creating a resume. This all my previous resume which I made. So right now, if you want to make a new, then click on create new profile. Then what here is all detail. You just have to fill all details, and your resume will generate automatically. You don't have to type or get space and everything. Just fill that for all information, then automatically your resume will be generated. Okay, so what are required in resume, that is personal detail, education, experience, skills, objective for your freshers, so that we can put directly fill that all those things, and at your resume will generate automatically. But if you require add more section, means if you want more sections like your hobby, your skills already here, and if you want your strength, weakness, you can select add more section, and here the option is create new section. You can just have to rename it like hobby, and then create it. Okay, then you just have to fill like cricket, whatever you want. Okay, create. And if you want add more section, like teaching. Okay, teaching. Okay, teaching, then just you have to fill, and after completing you just have to save. So this if you want to rearrange section, like that rearrange section, in that what happen, you just have, if you want objective after experience, then you just have to shift it, experience is first. If you want education last, like in whatever manner in given in this app, it is best. But according to you, you can adjust it. Okay, and then you can reset also. Okay, so how this is how it works. So fill all details completely, and then what you have to do, you after successful completing all detail, you just have to click on view CV. You can, in personal detail, you can hide your photos, or uh, you can uh, you can add photos, or unhide also, and save it. In address, you just have to put only your city's name. Okay, so let's see, after completely filling this all information, just you have to click on view CV. Then view,
भेटत नाहीये. हा मग वाट कशाची बघताय? पटकन प्ले स्टोर वरती जा आणि अपना ऍप डाउनलोड करा.
then what happen, you are coming in template, what type of template you want. So here is professional as well as modern. In professional there is a simple way, simple template, but in modern there is a colorful. So you just have to choose whatever you like. So I choose the simple one first. Then as I am not feeling anything, so they says me fill miss detail. Okay, so you have, what you have to do, I showing you my all previous made resume. Okay, so which I made. Okay, so just second, deletes. delete. Okay, now I show you my resume which I made in this app, and it is absolutely good. So just I have to choose once again a template. Okay, just my simple template. Then what you can see here, this is my name, this is personal profile already generated, then objective, profile summary, education, one by one it arranged in a particular manner, and project, my industrial training, my achievements and award, my skills, my technical knowledge, my activities, my personal detail, and also I can add here a sign or unhide also. So this is how it will generate it. And after that what you have to do, you just have to download it, and after completely download it will save in your file, and then after that you just have to print it. So that process take only 5 to 10 minutes or more than that out. So this is how you can prepare your resume with the help of your mobile, and you don't have to go in PC or laptop or in net cafe. So I hope you understand all those parameters. If you like this video, share it, subscribe my channel. If you want this kind of videos, I am okay. So I most of the time I uploaded video regarding study. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.